Hello, assalamu alaikum. Can you hear me? Hello?
Welcome, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. No, just come back to the point just to look these things. Okay. Now, um, last class, we have completed the magnetic circuit series parallel problem. And I told you today we are going to go with the air gap problem. And this will be our last topic and might be the last class. So unless there is a review class or something like that. But I'm going to take the CT4 on 31st, and I have already sent the email to you all. So we get ready for the test because this is the last opportunity for all of you. Think yourself smart enough. Don't come to the class, don't come to the exam. Where you will go, I don't know, because very much smart people never come to the class and doing bad. Their whole life gone. I don't know what is the purpose. You should know best. But what I'm telling here, all of you, this is the last opportunity. I am telling you that if you want to get marks, then get good preparation for the CT4. And that's why I've written this is a final test. And then I'll take the best 3 out of the 4. Coming to the class, getting the bonus marks or getting the attendance marks, you don't care about it. What you want to get a certificate without studying, wherever you go, if there's a real degree, it is not possible. So you can get it and you can get a job as well. But in the long run, the result will be very bad. So you can see that ultimately you'll be fired. So hire and fire, this cycle will going on in your whole life. That's it. So should be the real guy. So appreciate those who were regularly present in the class. I appreciate them, and I'm thinking about them as well to give you the marks, and hopefully you get good marks in the attendance. It doesn't mean that you will get marks in the exam and everywhere. You do good, you get it. That is normal practice. I'm talking about attendance marks. You'll get it, definitely. And second thing is, you have to study well. This is what is the most important thing, and understand. Now, let us go ahead with the class today. But before that, I'd like to tell you, you should get your preparation for CT4 very well. Try your best, because same syllabus or most of that syllabus for CT4 will be included in final exam. So you get your preparation in one shot so that you can do good in both CT4 as well as final exam. So one preparation can help in 2 places to get marks. Now, the ball is in your court, how you play. You think about only the final exam, then you'll be loser over the CT4. So I'm expecting everybody should do good in CT4. Syllabus will be up to today, whatever the thing it taught. That means your RL circuit, RC circuit and magnetic circuit, these 2 will be the syllabus for CT4. In magnetic circuit, the 2 types of question you may expect. One is the series parallel. Another one is this one. Today we are going to solve the air gap problem. Or in some problem, you can see is a combination of both. Series parallel and air gap are combined together. Couple of problems you can find also in the practice problem sheet, so that you can easily understand how to progress on that. Hopefully you all understand what I mean. Now let us go and jump to our today's class, which will be the magnetic circuit with air gap. So as I told you, one full question will be here as well, maybe. So you all have to be prepared. Well, before starting the class, I'd like to ask you one thing. Those who actually were those who had gone through the video lecture before coming today, may I request you to raise your hand. I'll ask question, as you know that from there, and you have to answer properly that yeah, you can, then only you can get the marks like that, right? So you have to tell really you have gone through the video lecture or not, otherwise you'll be caught, remember. So I see that some of you were present. Okay, it will be understood once we start asking question, then we can get it. Now you get ready to this. Okay, so who are there? Ikram Patwari, what is your serial number?
Sir, serial number is 18, sir.
18. Okay, if you can answer the question, I'm noting down. If you can answer the question, then you get the 0.1 marks. Rafi Sadat, what is your serial?
Sir, 1A.
Okay, 1A. Okay, I'll ask the question and then you can understand it. Then who is the guy next? Just a minute. Raise your hand if you really did it. Don't raise if you don't do. Okay, then Mansib, what is your serial?
17.
17. Okay, then next is your Tarek Rahman.
Sir, 2011 serial.
Is he?
201.
201.
201. 201.
Yeah, okay. Then Pope Jim.
Yes, sir. 9, serial number 9.
Serial number 9, right? Okay. I think that's it. All 6 of you, 5 of you. What is that? 5 of you actually gone through the video lecture before coming to the class. I'll check it. It's okay. Now let us go with today's class. As I told you that today we are going to talk about the magnetic circuit air gap problem. So all of you, I hope that first confirm me that you can see the video lecture. Can you? Then we can go ahead. Can you please let me know whether you can see or not?
No, sir. No, sir.
You can.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You hear the sound or not? Please check. You cannot hear the sound, right?
I'm going to
Okay,
talk.
sir, you kept the video in pause mode. Now
Okay.
we can hear.
Okay. Okay.
Now, if it is air gap and if the current is flowing through the winding, and if the number of turn is n, if you think like that, then I and n is the magnetic force applied and the phi is produced. This is the phi produced over here, and the flux lines is going through the core. And how the flux lines are going through the core is this way. You know that already, I told. And this way it comes, and then go. So this is the flux lines is going to produce and flow. What happened in the case of air gap over here also, some over the air gap here, over here also the air flux lines will be flowing through this path. I mean through the, okay, I'm going to go the green line. So over here also the flux lines is going through, but it is the same flux lines going through that. Now if this one you can say that is a phi g, this is phi g, and the flux flow through this is phi core, and or I can write here phi core. So this phi core and phi g, it is the same flux lines flowing through, like a current electron flow. So how much electron is flowing through the core, so that is the same number of phi g will be flowing through that, because again it have to constitute another phi core. So phi core is enter into the air gap and then out from the air gap, and again it is phi core. So phi core and phi g must be same in that case. So you can say that a phi core which is coming through the core will be nothing but equal to phi g, that is going through the air gap. And you understand it because the number of flux lines flowing through the core, if you go through a three-dimensional graph.
Okay, left class people, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes, sir, we can hear
Okay,
you.
just one additional thing I'd like to let you know here is this. Actually, the phi produced here, phi core, and that phi core is flowing through that, and that is going through the phi g and coming through this, the same phi, and the phi g is through the air gap. So the same phi is flowing through this, and then this phi g is going through that. That's why phi g and phi core is the same, because the same phi is going and inserting into the air, same phi is coming out. So the phi g, what you're getting is same. But there's a question here. Question is, there are two types of flux actually is out from here. Two types having two types of effect. One is the flux produced here because of the n into I, the electromagnetic force actually produce the flux. That flux actually, one flux actually from here where it is produced, that goes this way. Actually, I'm going to show you here. That goes this way and coming in it. That means some of the flux lines going out like this and going like that. This type of flux lines which is going out, and also this side also same, in and going out like this, and then this some of the flux lines will go out through this and coming in back like that. That is called actually flux leakage. So some of the flux will be leakage, but this is very much a negligible amount, we can see. So but that phi is called phi L. So that the total phi produced, some of the flux lines is going to be leakage, and the rest of the flux is going through the core. And that leakage flux is very small amount, but there is some. In ideal case, we are assume not this thing to be affecting here. In ideal case, we think there is no phi L, only the phi core is considered. That's why this is one of the assumptions I'm telling here. Another assumption is here. In the air gap side, actually, you know that the flux lines are coming down, all. It's a projection. It's a square, it's a shower of the, you leave the shower, the water is falling from the shower like that. All the flux lines are falling, and it's a square projection, you can think, all the shower. But in reality, what happened? In reality, you can see the thing. Some of the flux at the outer side is just like a hump. It is going blur something like this and going back. So a little bit like a balloon type actually. So it is like a balloon type going out, a little bit going out and then coming in back. And then, so the full projection is not exactly square. It is something like that. You understand, I hope. That is something like this, and like that. So straight away. So a little bit outside of the flux lines is going and coming back to the wave. That is okay, but it is a little bit blur here, like that, this way, like that. So what happened in this case? This is the thing. How this thing happened. This is known as fringing flux. You know, fringing flux. Fringing flux. So that one is a leakage flux, and this is your fringing flux. And this fringing flux actually having some fringing effect. And what is that effect? We're going to say because of this fringing flux, actually the area here will be not exactly the area of the core area. Okay, hello, life class people, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's a common question to everybody. You can just lower your hand now. Okay, a common question I asked. Hey, lower your hand. You understand it? Okay, I'm going to tell you a question who can answer from here. The area of the fringing flux and the area of the core material, AC, and it is AG. Is it same or not same? Raise your hand. Okay, Tariq Rahman, what is your answer?
Sir, it won't be the same, sir.
So you think that, okay,
Sir,
I'm just going to
it-
listen carefully. This is AG, you can say, fringing flux area.
Yes, sir.
And this is AC. Now you said not same, then which one is
Sir.
greater?
Sir, it increases the effective cross-sectional area, sir. I mean, the cross AC, sir. AC is increased by that.
So I'm
fringing
asking you
effect.
which area will be greater, AC or AG?
Sir, AC, sir.
AC is greater.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mansip, do you agree also?
Sir, they will have the same cross-sectional area.
Same cross-sectional area. So you said it should not be different. Okay, hey, Poop Jim, you raise your hand. Why you dropped? Hello, Poop Jim, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Why you dropped your hand? Or
No, sir.
okay, you tell me the answer. Do you know what do you think about it?
Sir's question is like whether fringing flux area is is equal to its area of this core or not, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Is
Sir.
it equal?
Sir, for fringing flux, it will be not equal.
Okay, not equal. Then which one is greater?
Fringing flux area will be greater.
SG or SC?
Fringing flux AG maybe.
AG.
Yes, sir.
You should tell me AG, fringing flux. I know that fringing flux, but what is
Sir,
the area
as-
of fringing
Yes,
flux?
sir.
Is AG.
AG, sir.
Okay, you said AG is greater than AC, and Tarek said AC
No, sir,
is
sir. My statement was right, but the telling that AG would be greater, sir.
but you said AC is greater, right?
Sir, I did a mistake, sir, over there. But my
Right.
explanation
You
was
made
right,
it-
sir. My explanation was right, sir.
Your
That-
explanation is right or wrong is second issue. You said AC is greater than AG, that is the first.
no, sir. AG is greater than.
And
sir,
it is a
AC.
mistake you did, right?
Yes, sir. But my
Like, listen, come on, like this, if you do in the exam time, you understand my point?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So later I understood that I made a
Yes,
mistake.
sir. Later you understood, nothing to do. You cannot get marks. Now, Poop Jim, if you can complete your answer, then only you can get marks. Hey, can you understand, Poop?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now tell me, what is the difference between BC and SC? I'm sorry, BC and BG.
For this, I mean, for not for fringing flux or it's
With
normal for
with fringing flux. All we are talking about with
fringing flux.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay,
for-
just you tell me, fringing flux, does it affect the flux density?
flux density, yes, sir.
Yeah, if it is yes, then you tell me which one, what is the difference between BC and BG?
BG will be great. I mean, if the area, I mean, BG will be less in, I mean, area of this AG will be greater, so magnetic flux density will be less for that one, AG.
Right. So are you confused?
No, sir.
And why you are talking like that? Okay, good. So the answer is that if it is BC is a phi C by AC, BG equal to phi G by AG. Now, if AG is greater than AC, then your BG will be less than, so vice versa, because it's inversely proportional. So your BC will be more than. So what we can say, fringing flux, if you consider, then your BG and BC will not be equal. It will be different, and BC will be more than BG. And if you consider the leakage flux, phi L, over here, you can see my cursor. If you can consider,
Yes, sir.
yeah, what is that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just hang on. Somebody is talking. Okay, wait, silent. Your mic, silent your mic.
Sorry,
Hi.
sir.
All of you, silent your mic. Don't on it. Let me finish, and then we'll talk about anything. Okay, now let's
Sir.
start. Yeah, what
Yes,
is
sir.
that? Anything?
Did you ask me question, sir?
No, no. You are, where are you? Are you inside a public place or in your home and the environment?
No, sir. I'm in lab and there are many people, sir. That's
Oh,
why.
in the lab?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing in the lab?
Attending the class, sir.
Okay. I think you better go to a calm, quiet place. Otherwise, it will be not okay. Anyway, so this is not good actually. Everyone should have a class environment. Okay. Now look at it. So you understand that in this case, there are two assumptions. All of you can, I think Pubjim, you are getting point one, but just I'm telling everybody for your understanding. This is your assumption one. Assumption one, assumption one is what? Assumption one is here for the fringing leakage flux, and assumption two is for the fringing flux. These two assumptions we assume there is no, we assume in the ideal case. Ideal case means the leakage flux is 0 and fringing flux effect also negligible we are considering. So as you say, the 0 means the phi core or phi g, whatever you say, that is same, we can say, because the phi L is very small compared to that. If phi core is, let's say 100, 1000, then phi L is 0.1, like that. So much small value, that's why phi L is negligible. Again, AG, as you said, PubGM, AG is greater than AC. If I ask you how much greater, then you can say it's a fraction, very much small amount access to the AC. So if it is a very small difference, then we can say AC and AG is approximate. That means the fringing effect is 0. So the fringing effect and leakage effect, these two, I hope that you understand. This is for your reference, for your understanding. But we assume in our problem or derivation, we assume the fringing flux effect and the leakage flux. These two assumptions are, these are negligible in our case. We have to assume these are the two assumptions we should remember, because these two effects are there actually. It can affect our phi and it can affect our area. So both assumptions we have to assume that they are negligible, and based on that actually we are working. That's why in the next picture you can see we go back to the original one. There is no fringing, there is no leakage. That is for your information. So keep it in that way. But in our derivation, in our problem, we assume those effects are negligible. Okay, let's go.
This one coming like that, for example, then what will happen? You can see all the flux lines are passing through this flowing, just like a shower. You know, the rain through the what you call it, through a pillar, through the pillar. So all the flux lines are coming from the top to the bottom, just like shower. Right, it is going through like this. So it is just like a shower flowing through the top to the bottom. And so you can just cut the thing here. If you cut the thing here, area of the air gap, and that the shower, the flux lines are flowing, that area also you can see is something like a square area where the flux lines are going through. And the area of cross section here will be also AG for the flux line. And if you cut the core anywhere, because it is throughout same, you cut the core anywhere, and the core area, if you find a core area over here, you can see the same core area as well. And this core area and that flux lines area, these are also same. The AG and A core will be same. So the cross section through the air gap and the cross section of the core will be also same. So we can say another thing here, that the AG, A core, also will be equal to phi or AAG. That is the air gap cross-sectional area through which the flux lines are falling from the top to the bottom. Okay, these two area also same. Now, if this two area cross-section area, that cross-section area are same, then flux lines are same, then we can say for the core, we can say the core flux density B core will be what? B core will be phi core by A core according to formula phi core by A core. And the air gap flux density, if I want to say that Bg will be what, then same way Bg will be phi g by Ag. So if your this phi core and phi g is same and A core and Ag is same, phi core and phi g Ag is same, then we can conclude from there that B core and I'm sorry, B core and BG will be also same. This thing we can conclude from this air gap presence in magnetic circuit. If the air gap is present in the magnetic circuit, then we can say that the core flux density and the air gap density is same, because the core flux lines and air gap flux lines are same, core area and flux lines area, cross-section area are same. So we can say B core equal to Bg. Now my question here to you all, same way shall I say the same thing, that H core, the magnetizing force for the core, will it be equal to Hg or not? That is a question now. All are saying.
Okay, like class people, I hope that you can understand what is the thing going on here. Rizauddin Noor, are you there? Absent. Okay, Musfiqur Salihin, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there, sir.
So Mushfiq, what do you think about it actually? This Hess core and Hess G, as you see that with the, we are assuming the leakage flux and the fringing flux effect is 0. It is
Yes,
the
sir.
assumption, and then all A core AG is same. You know, these two phi G phi core is same, and then B core BC is same. B core and BG is same because B is phi by A, so it's both cases same. Like that, Hess G and Hess core also same or not?
Not, sir.
Not. If not, why it is not? Because how you get Hess G from BG?
Sir, bigger is equal to me. You not busy, sir. You not busy, sir.
H equal to
Sir, it's equal to sir BG by me. You not, sir. BG
BG.
by me. You not.
Yeah, BG by mu naught. What is mu naught value? Do you know?
Yes, sir. 4, 5, 10 to minus 7, sir.
Minus 7. Good. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Now, next question goes to Mishkatul Abir. Are you there, Mishkat? Absent. Next, Jayan, are you there? Jayan, absent. Okay. Then Fardeen Shahriar, absent. Okay. Shijapati, are you there? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Shijapati. Okay,
Yes,
Shijapati, can you answer to this question? Over here, he said that BG can give you HG through this equation. Can you tell me, Shijapati, how the H core can be obtained from B core?
So BH core.
Through the BH curve. Good. So it comes from the BH curve, and because of this is coming from BH curve and this is coming from that equation, that's why these two are not equal.
Equal.
Yep. So you understand the main theme here. Now let us go and listen to the lecture. Thank you. Okay, like class people, now if no, then Okay, let us go. Then this theory can understood. Now we are going to solve a problem of air gap. Then it will be much more clear. Let us start.
Phi. The phi equal to what? So there is a question here. Find phi equal to what? So far, if you see, phi was given most of the problem, and you found from phi divided by a, you got the b, and you solve the problem from h and ting tang. But this time it is an opposite thing happened. It is what you have to find is the phi. So what is the phi in the circuit if the 4 ampere current is applied to a coil of a magnetic core where their number of turn is n 100 turn, that a magnetic motive force is applied.
Now the Laplace people, I'm asking you here to Muhammad Shibli Noman. Are you there, Shibli Noman? Hello. Sijapati, you got 0.1 because you got the answer for 0.1. Muhammad Amar Kardar, absent. Okay, then Tariq Rahman, you are present, right, Tariq?
Yes, sir.
Can you answer to this question? What will be the MMF, magnetic motive force, in this problem applied? This is the impressed MMF, right?
Yes,
Tariq, what is the
Yes,
amount
sir.
of MMF?
sir. Ni.
What is the value?
Sir, I can see over there.
You
Sir,
can
400, sir.
400. 4 into 100. 400. What is the unit?
100 into 4.
Yeah, okay, no problem. What is the unit?
Sir, the MMF value would be ampere turn, sir.
Good. Okay, let's go. Okay, you are absent.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you answer to this question?
Sir.
What is MMF, which comes from 4 and 100? If you multiply, it will be Ni. It will be the impressed MMF, which is, if you multiply them, you get 400, right?
Yes, sir.
400 what? What is the unit?
Sir, ampere turn meter.
Ampere turn meter, ampere turn only. That's it. Ampere into turn, ampere turn. Okay. So this is 400 ampere turn is the magnetic force you already impressed to the circuit, that is told here. Good. That's the answer to this question. Very simple. All right. Now let's come back to the point.
That is 400. It's a MMF is what? Ni. You remember. And how much length in the air gap? 0.01 meter also given. So the length of the core here and the air gap length, these two are different, remember. So the length of the core is, if I take the blue one, the length of the core is from here, from this point to go up to this point. So from here to here, without air gap, remember, L core is without air gap. But when the air gap is coming, this very small part air gap, a very small part air gap. And that one is given here as 0.01. This is the air gap for this, and this is the L core for this. Okay, so I hope that you understand these two lengths are different. If the total core length, if you consider the L core plus air gap. So sometimes question comes, the total, like you have 2 pi r, the radius of the circle is given. So what will be the periphery? Periphery will be 2 pi r. 2 pi r minus 0.01 is the L core. Sometimes L core will not be given directly. Maybe you have to calculate it from there. So that sort of things can be happened also. So you need to understand what is L core means. L core means without the air gap. So if you have the radius given of the circle, then you have to find the full periphery. Periphery is 2 pi r. The 2 pi r minus air gap is giving the L core. You have to calculate that one by yourself. And in this question, L core is.
I think Laplace people, you understand, if the for the. Now let's come back to the point. Kaisar Mahabub Siam, are you there, Siam?
Yes, sir, I'm here, sir.
Okay, can you have a calculator with you? No, sir.
Yes, sir, I have it.
Okay, go ahead and tell me what is the value of LC here in this case. First, everybody please do it and check his answer. I'm giving you 30 seconds.
Yes, sir. Uh, Sir, is it 0.31?
0.31.
31.
0.31. Okay, don't answer, but I'm just asking. Okay, Purjim, you raise your hand. Just asking you, is it answer is correct or not? First, you tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Answer
got
is-
0.309. So it will be equivalent to
Oh,
0.21.
0.09.
Yes, sir.
0.309.
Yes, sir.
So he said 0.131 is back.
No, sir, I said 0.31.
Yeah, 31 means 0.9 almost approximately
It's
31.
same,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
So she said that from that point of view is approximately correct. But you said no, sir, it is not correct, right? You understand?
Sir, are you asking me?
I think 0.31 or 0.09.
Sir, 309. So both
Yeah,
are
we
correct,
can
sir.
say, but if you go for accurate result, you tell me how you got. Just then we can understand. S equal to what you said? 2
Sir, 2 pi r.
pi means what? What is the value of
Sir,
pi?
3.14.
3.14. Then
Sir, multiplied by the radius 0.05.
0.05. Okay, 0.05. And then what is the and then what do you do with that?
Sir, now I have to subtract this entire value with by 0.005.
0.05.
0.005.
0.005. Then you got exact
Zero
what
point-
value? With this
Sir,
one,
yes, sir. Sir, 0.309.
then why you got 3.1?
Sir, I've just made it
Rounded this thing. Okay, you
yes,
rounded
rounded
this
the
thing. So,
value.
okay, no problem. So what is the unit?
Sir, length, sir, meter, sir.
Meter. Okay, so this is the answer to this question. Thank you very much. So you get the marks for 0.1. Okay, so 0.03916.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Let's go back.
Thank you, sir.
Given here, the area of cross section is 0.1 meter. These are the things given, and your number of turn is given here 100 turn. The air gap core is the FG. These are the three magnetic force you are going to see here. So if you want to plot it, then your solution will be coming like that.
Okay, now online people, because the same.
Yes. Sir, FC is equal ACLC.
FG. Okay. Hello. I think now I am asking the question to Khandakar Sajid Afsaq. Are you present or absent? I think you're absent. Okay. Then Rafiul is also absent. Rafiul Alam. Tawhid, are you present? Absent. Tawhid absent. Okay. Tawhidul Alam absent. Tawhid Islam. Then Abhishek Tarafdar absent. Then Shaugat Naim, are you there? Shaugat? Then Abdullah Al Fahad. Okay. Then Shahriar Hussain. Absent. Okay. Khandakar Labib Junaid. Labib, are you present or absent? Absent. Okay. Then Sultanul Arifin Nabil. Are you present, Sultan? Okay. Burhanuddin absent. Okay. Shahriyar Kabir, Shahriyar Akbar. Then Jakaria Paul, are you there? Jakaria Paul, absent. Okay. Then Muhammad Imran Hussain. Absent. Okay. Mohammed Shauda. Are you present, Shauda? Absent. Okay. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. No problem. In that case, the last person. Okay. I'm just. Yep. You're right. From that point of view, don't waste time. Okay, good. And now all of you can raise your hand if you can answer to the question. And okay, let's say whether all of you now first drop your hand. Now you raise your hand after the question. I'm asking the question, who can answer the equation in details? Okay, Ikram Patwari, go ahead, start from you.
We have to find the parity motive force first. For the F,
F equal to what? This F equal
sir,
to
N into I, sir.
then,
Number of turns into I.
okay, and FC
And FC equals to HC into LC.
and FG.
The same formula, HG into IG. LG, sir,
I
HG
value,
into
NI,
LG.
NI value what?
Sir, N is given 100 amperes and I is given 100 into 4, sir, 400, sir.
Okay, then 400. Then whatever LC and SC.
Sir, HC we need to find, sir.
LC?
Sir, it is sir 0.16, sir.
And what is SG?
So it is also, we need to find this also, value also.
And LG?
So it is 0.001.
Okay. Now you can have a look. This is the thing. Now what happened? Let us have a look. Good. So you
Yes, sir,
need
yes.
to know the HC and HG. Now this HC and HG, how many equation here and how many unknown?
স্যার
Two unknown, sir.
এখানে স্যার দুইটা আননোন আছে স্যার
And how
আর
many
দুইটা
equation?
known
Hey, how many equation?
স্যার টু ইকুয়েশন স্যার
Well,
Sir,
I'm
eight-
asking from this circuit you get another equation.
Yes,
One
there are
loop,
two
one
unknowns.
equation you get, right?
yes sir on loop
There
one
are two
equation
And how many unknown here?
sir two unknown
That is the
AC
answer.
and H.
Answer, there are two unknown, one equation. Full stop.
yes sir
So can you find two unknown from one equation?
sir two unknown from one equation sir
If you
F
two,
into
no, if you have two unknown, how many equation you need to solve?
স্যার একটাতে তো পসিবল না স্যার দুইটা লাগবে
And this
স্যার
is how to solve the problem. Okay, let us see.
yes sir
Okay.
If you know what is the HG value, and means you can get the value of B and phi, and for there are how many unknown here in this case? What is your idea? How many unknown?
One.
Hey, come on, one unknown. You dumb.
You can just take
You
phi.
no, you. How come you get
sir yes
if the you know HC phi C?
No.
No, you know AC. Okay, fine. You can find the value unknown here in this case. What is your idea? How many unknown? Or you apply the I'll talk about it later. But I'm just talking about if you want to go for BG. BG is your phi by BC, for example. I can just tell you. For if you want to know HG and HG, then you have to go for BC. BC means what? Phi C by A. Phi C by SA. Okay, then you can from here BH curve you can find HC. Then you can jump straight to that. But do you know HC phi C?
No.
No, you know AC, okay, fine. You can find the value of BC. If you know phi C, you don't know. Why? Because phi C, what you have to determine, it is not given. It is what you have to find. So if you do not know phi C, you cannot find the BC, you cannot find the HC. Same thing happening there. The BG will give you the value of HG, but BG, do you know? If you want to find BG, you have to find phi G by AG. For phi G, is it given? No, because phi C, phi, you already know that phi equal to what means? Phi equal to means what? Phi means phi C, phi G, same. Phi C, phi G equal to what? Same thing. So phi G and phi C is not given. That's what you have to determine. So you cannot find the BG and BC from here because you don't know the phi C and phi G. And that's why HC and HG you cannot find. That's what I'm talking about. This HG and HC are unknown. That's why I put the two close to question mark here. Just I'm talking about. Try to understand my point. Two unknown, one equation. This is one equation, but two unknown. One unknown is your HC, another unknown equation is HG. So in one equation, two unknown, can you find the unknown value? Can you tell me from here, HC equal to what? So that you can find the BC, so that you can find the phi C. And if you get BG, then BG can give you the phi G. Phi G means your destination is done. So you cannot find HG, you cannot find HC. None of them you can find from this equation. Because why? Because 3x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Can you, if we can find, then we can get the value of H straight away after finding the value of HG or HC, anyone. Now, what to do in that case? If there is one equation but two unknown, then how to find this unknown? This is a question to you all. What we have to do in this case? Try to, but we say that no, right hand side is much greater than left hand side. After some value, if you put, then you put another value. This one is something 100, this one is 200. Again, it is not satisfied. Then you put here, this is 50, this is 100, and this is 250. It is not satisfied. This is okay, it's 25, it is 375. It is not satisfied. Like that, trial and error. You are going to put every time different value, and then you get the, you see the equation is satisfied or not. If the equation is satisfied, that value is the value for HC and HG. Now, if you do it in the exam, then your whole day life finish, but you cannot come to a conclusion. Got it? Then how you answer the question? Only one question will kill all result, but it is not necessary for this question because it's not possible for human trial error determination. Now, if you look at the question carefully, all of you, what is written here? Can you see? Can anybody read what is written here? Determination. Now, written result will be okay, result will be tolerated within plus minus 5%. It is the statement. 5% or not. Let's say this is 400, this is not this, it is 500. Okay, if it is 400 and it's a 500, do you think the,
okay, now left us people, I think I'm asking you the question to Muhammad Shibli. Okay, I think can you answer, anybody who can answer? Raise your hand. I'm dropping all hands. Raise your hand fit faster. Okay, Ikram, I have already asked you question. Tariq should go for answer. Tariq,
Yes,
you
sir.
tell me if it is after HC and HG calculation, assume after getting the value of HC HG, and you want to verify. When you verify your test, maybe we can, after substituting the value, we get it is 395. There is 395. Then what will be the Is it within the tolerance? Because it is 400 and 395. It is very close, no doubt. But
Sir,
how many
yeah,
percentage deviation?
we have to verify by error and trial methods to
Yeah,
see.
no, but what is the differences, percentage difference?
So 5.
Percentage difference, you know, the percentage.
Yes, sir. It's
5%.
like
Okay, you said that 395 and 400, the
Sir,
difference is 5%.
do I calculate wait, sir?
Oh, you haven't calculated, no problem. You bring the calculator and do it. Mashfiq,
Yes, sir.
have you done?
Yes, sir.
What is the
Yeah, it's
percentage?
1.25, sir.
Who is talking?
Sir, Tariq Rahman, sir.
You said you don't have calculator?
Sir, I have calculated, sir. I'm calculating,
Oh,
sir.
okay, then do it. What is that?
Yes,
you
sir.
said?
1.25.
All of you please
1.25.
check. Okay, this is giving 1.25% plus or minus?
Sir, it's plus, sir. 1.25%.
1.25% plus.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Mushfiq, what do you think? Do you agree with this?
Yes,
First.
sir. I agree, sir.
Okay,
I
Mansib.
agree.
No, sir.
So what is your answer?
It's 1.25, but it's minus.
Minus, because the
It's
equation,
below
can
400.
you tell me the equation, error equation?
Sir, it's 300 minus, sorry, what's
300
that?
what?
395 minus 400
Minus 400, then
by
Oh.
400. By 400
by
into
400
into 100
So it is giving you what percentage?
minus 1.25.
Okay, now you understand. I'm talking about Tarek.
Yes, sir.
It is negative 1.2%, right? Now, Mansib cannot get marks unless you tell me the answer for this. 404.
Okay, sir.
But faster, and everybody do it also. He is correct or not?
404. It's plus 1%.
Plus 1%. Okay, and then you go for 400.
So 0.
0, and go for 500.
So 25%.
5%
Positive.
gives you 25%, right?
Yes.
Is it correct, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's
Okay.
correct, sir.
Now, Mansib, if you get the value with this 1.25 minus 1.25 or plus 1, which percentage affecting your result is not acceptable?
Sir, both are acceptable because it's plus
All
minus.
of these are acceptable, right? Whatever values, right?
Sir, except 25%.
What is
Because
that?
that is 500 is not acceptable.
500 is not acceptable because it's 25%. Why?
Because it's more than the accepted error percentage.
What is that?
5%.
5%. So 25 is more than 5%. Other than that, all are less, plus minus 5%. All are less. So all others are acceptable. Anyone, but this one is not acceptable. This is the way actually we have to find the acceptable range. All right, good. Thank you very much. Now let's go. Noman already did not answer. Monirun Nisa, are you there? Monirun Nisa.
Error. Then it will be, sir, the 500 will be
That one, all the MMF is NI, this is 400. All the 400 is applied to the FG. So in that case, we can write this FG, F will be equal to FG. That means your NI, all the NI is applied on the FG mean SG, LG. No core. If it is as assume first, then from here you can find that N into I is 400 and HG you have to find, and LG is 0.001. So going to get, if it is assumed that first initially all are applied here, if this is the scenario, then HG is going to give you the BG, and a BG.
Okay, now next question comes to Rafi Sadat. Rafi, can you answer to this question? BG will be what?
Sir, we have to look at the curve, sir.
No, so you said that BG will coming from the curve. Okay, Sajapati, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is your answer? BG will be what? From the BH curve.
No, sir.
What will be that value? Bit faster.
Mu naught by Hg.
Mu naught by Hg.
That's permeability of air by Hg.
No, you tell me simply BG equal to what? Mu
BG
naught.
is
Yeah.
Value or formula, sir?
Formula.
Sorry, mu naught Hg.
Mu naught Hg. So why you say BG divided by?
Sir.
So this is your mu naught value 4 pi, and this thing's 0.5 Tesla. 0.5 Tesla gives you the BG. This is a BG value, and the BC value will be what?
Same, sir.
Same. If it's the same, then phi c equal to what?
Phi c is equals to BC into AC.
BC into AC. That's a phi c. What is the value coming?
1.5 into 10 to the
That is
power
minus 3 because
three
point BC is
W.
0.5
Weber.
Weber. Okay, good. So this is what you get, the BG, and that means this is HG, this is BC, right? Phi c or BC
Yes,
you got. So BC, if I want to find the HC, because you need the HG and HC, and then substitute into the equation and see whether it satisfies or not. So what will be the BC to HC? How can we find HC from BC?
BH curve.
From the BH curve. Tell me what is from the BH curve. What is the value for 0.5 Tesla? First,
So we can assume 1500.
1500. What is the unit?
Sorry, sir.
Unit.
Weber.
Weber.
Sorry.
Is Weber.
80 per m.
Whatever like you cannot talk. Okay. If it is 1500, what is the material made of?
Material.
Yeah, is it a cast iron? It's a steel sheet. It's a cast sheet. What is that? Which BS curve you used? There are 3 BS curve, I think. In the BS curve, there are 3 materials, right? Hey, how many curve there?
Yes, 3.
Which curve you used? Commander, which curve?
So may I check it?
Oh, you did. Where you take it from? Okay, you check it. What is that?
Sir, cast iron.
Cast iron. So from the cast iron, it is taken 1500 in the lecture video. Is it 1500 written? Is it HC is coming from here 1500 or not?
And only the HC we need, and then HG and HC we can substitute into the equation. HC should come from the BH curve. BH curve, and B is already which is 0.5 Tesla. Now you have to find what is the corresponding HC from the BH curve. Hey, have you got the video? Please note it down. The material, okay, put the value.
Okay, Shijapati, now let's come back to the point. If you put 1500 HC and HG is what? Shijapati? Hey.
640.
HG is 400,000. Okay, then 640. What is the percentage error coming?
It's 37.5.
37.5. Okay, good. So how you got? Can you tell me what minus what? Tell me.
640 minus 400 divided by 400.
Divided by 400, right?
No. Say 640
into
1000.
1000.
Sorry,
it's a percentage
100.
error. Are you okay or something wrong with you? What is
No,
the
sir,
value
100.
coming after calculation?
37.5.
Right, 37.5. Now this the error coming. So it is is it within the range?
No, sir.
This error because range is what?
Within plus minus 5%.
Right. So it is outside the range. So this is not the right answer, right? So you have to decrease the value of 640 from 640. You have to decrease this value to 400. If you want to decrease, you have to decrease the value of HC and H. You have to decrease the value of HC. And if you want to decrease the value of HC, you have to decrease the value of BC. If you want to decrease the value of BC, you have to decrease the value of phi C, right?
Yes, sir.
So how much you have to decrease the value of phi C? Tell me.
Sir, firstly, we can assume, sir.
Assume, right? What is the value? Just assume.
Sir, in video, we assume by reduced by 30%.
30% in video you thought, right? But I'm telling you, and any children didn't born, and you tell him how much we should reduce. Children will say what? I want to reduce the whole 37.5%, right?
5%. Yes, sir.
That's like that. So that guy, the newborn baby, tell 37.5%. In that case, what will be the phi c, new phi c? What is the current phi c? The 640 gives you what phi c?
Current.
Yeah, what is the current one? What is the value? For what phi c we got 640?
What's that?
You got the HC value 1500. What was the phi c at the time?
Phi c is 1.5 into 10 to the power
Right,
minus.
that is the one. The answer is this one. Should be this one. The phi c is our target, right?
Yes.
So 1.5 10 to the power minus what?
3.
Minus 3. What is the unit?
WB.
WB. WB Weber. Okay.
Weber.
Okay. Now this is Weber you are getting for this case. Now you have to reduce 37.5% means the new phi c will be what? It will be reduced by 37. In the video lecture, it is 30% told. But normally anybody should think like this, that it is 37.5 because this is the excess, so we can reduce this to 37.5%. If you reduce, then maybe the answer can come, right? In that case, phi c new will be what? Can you tell me? You have to
reduce all 37.5.
Yeah, that's right. So phi c is the old value, and you have to reduce by 37.5. So 37.5 you reduce means what? 1.1 minus what?
1 minus 0.375.
Good. 1 minus 0.375. Right.
Into 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3.
That one you have to substitute this value right here. We have this thing. You substitute and you get the value. Some new value you get. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, Sijapati, your job is to do this calculation, full calculation. From here, you find the phi c new, and with that phi c, listen, come on. And then from there, you have to find the hc new, and you have to find the hg new. You understand from this new value?
Okay, okay, sir.
You do the job, and we are all taking 10 minutes break for prayer and come back and see what Sijapati did. And then based on that, you get 0.1. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay,
and rest of you can take break for 10 minutes for prayer break. And then we'll start after this. Okay, Sijapati, by this time you calculate. Thank you. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yes,
All
sir.
gone? Okay, good. Shijapati, you got your answer? Hello, Shijapati.
I sent you mail.
Okay. Can you tell me then what is the value you got actually? Has C equal to what?
Sir, I solved and click picture and sent you mail. Oh,
Okay, let's see. I haven't get it yet. When you send me?
just
Oh
now,
yeah,
sir.
it's okay, okay. All right, all of you can have a look first and then we can go. Can you see Shijapati?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if I say new is 1.375, 0.65, 1.35, good, 9.65. And from HC new, you got the BC is BC new divided by BC new by what is this?
Area, sir.
By A. Okay, this is what the new Tesla. And this new BC give you the HC 720. And SG new is coming here from 24. You got it there, so 63, 9 minus 9%, right?
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
you got
Yes,
my
sir.
point, minus 9%. Good. So this is all of you just have a note of it. I think it's much better. I'm going to scroll down and all of you can have a look of these things. Okay, and then this point we can get. And Shijapati, you tell me the answer also if we ask. Okay, and solution for this is give you this. Good. Oh no, Shijapati, you made a mistake. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
now?
sir.
Okay, if you cut this thing and put it 363, can you tell me what is the value coming?
Sir, firstly, I would like to ask you a question, sir. Sir, isn't the error percentage formula is of the value minus standard one divided by standard one into 100%?
No, in this case, you have to consider this way, that the new value you are getting based on that actually how much percentage deviation.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so what is that actually?
Sir, okay, I will
It's
tell
like
you.
a standard case, you have to consider this one actually, 363. And then other way around actually. You are thinking 400 all the time to standard, not necessarily. Because
Sir,
every time you are, go ahead.
I was confused that eventually at that previous time also, sir. So 0. Wait.
No, it will be more. What are you talking 0 point?
Minus 9.92665.
Minus 9.92.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's right. Minus 10% almost, right? So it is
Yes,
more actually. But if whatever, it is outside 5%, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we can go back to that. And if you go with this, I'm sorry, it is your one. We can go back to that. Okay, now you can see in our the video lecture, all of you have seen that consider 30%, as Shijapati told, 30%, right, Shijapati?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
let's say in the exam, Shijapati, you did the job like here. When you see the error is 37.5%, your first step, everybody look at it. First step, you assume 37.5% to reduction. And then you go according to what Shijapati had done. And from there, you found the percentage is not 37, but it is minus 9.9%, right? 9.92%. This is what Shijapati got this percentage by reducing 37.5%. She got minus 9.95. In the exam, you get it, let's say all of you. And then what do you do? Then you cannot accept, this is not accepted because it is outside 35. So what you have to do, you have to take another step. Another step is, let's say you go for not 37, you go for 35%, let's say 35%. If you go for 35%, then your new phi C, you are going to go for phi C new. You can find again phi C new prime, I can write here. Then what will be this value? That is a question. After Shijapati is Pubjim. Pubjim, you raised your hand. Can you tell me in that case, phi C new will be what in that case. If I want to go for 35%, essentially Sijapati fell for 37 points because it is more than 5%. Now,
Yes, sir.
you want to go for next trial, you have to go in the exam, it is the way, and you go for assume 35%. First thing is you have to go some more, I mean 37 to 35, or you have to go up.
I have to go down, sir.
Right, so 35% you go. For example, instead of going to 30%, I'm just telling you, you assume, let's say 35%. If you go for 35%, what will be the phi c nu prime?
Should I I have to calculate, sir?
No, you tell me first and then I'll tell you. What will be these things? Actually, you should write
oh.
phi c in 1 minus what?
1 minus 0.35.
Right, that is what I'm talking about. 1 minus 0.35.
Okay,
now, the question is, what is the value supposed to be over here? Phi c over here. What is this one should be?
Phi c.
Yeah.
Do
What
I
will
have
be
to
this
calculate,
value?
sir?
No, I'm just asking you. Sijapati, what your value you got? Phi c?
For this one, or I did one.
You did one.
9.9.
Yes, that's right.
9.375 into 10 to the power minus 4 Weber. And
right.
For this one,
I'm not asking you. I'm asking to Pubjim. For
yes,
this
sir.
one, are you going to put that what he found 9.93 10 to the power things, or
no, sir? I have to decrease by 9%.
No, this one value 5c value. What will be this value? Is it what Sijapati found, that one, or it's a different?
No,
one?
sir, not this one.
Which one?
Phi c. I mean, it's the initial phi c.
Yes, it's the initial value. What is that?
Initial value, sir.
Okay, now Sijapati can help her. What is that initial value?
1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3.
Jim, you never write it in the paper, right?
1.503 times 10 raised to minus 3.
Why
sir.
you cannot tell these things, Pubjim?
I was looking at the screen.
Right, not screen. You have to have the paper, class note. If you are a good student, or if you are a dark student, those who are absent, as well as those people are not using, they are absolutely disastrous. Okay, now what is that? 1 minus 0.35. What is that, Sijapati? I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. Pubjim.
It's 0.7.
0.75.
1 minus 0.35.
Is what? 0.75? Is it
0.65, sir?
What are you talking? All of you are okay. If it is like that, what is the final answer coming here?
Final answer.
You have a calculator or not? First tell me.
Yes, sir, I have, sir.
Then what is this? 1.5 10 to the power minus 4 and 3.
So I'm calculating, sir.
You should do it before I tell you. You were killing time, people. Okay, Sijapati, you can tell me if you have done it already.
9.75 into 10 to the power minus 4 Weber.
9.75 into 10 to
9.75.
10 to the power minus what?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Good. So this is the new phi c. Remember, most of you will make a mistake here. This value is the initial value you have to consider, remember, not the Sijapati's calculated value, remember. For 37.5%, he calculated that value. No, it should be the original value. Yes, it's based on the original value. We are going to do the calculation every time, remember. Okay, fine. 9.75 you got. Pubjim. From here, what do you do? What you will go and find?
I have to find the B nu, sir.
Beautiful, B nu. Now, what is that got?
B nu by area, sir.
Find and calculate. What is the Tesla?
So I have to find for 0.35.
You have to find 5 by 5 divided by what? This is to the 5 by A, right?
Area, sir. 9.75. 9.74 times 10 to
or minus 4 divided by A equal to what? And then what is the value coming?
0.3.
0.324.
0.324.
Okay, Sijapati, what is your value you got?
0.325. It's same, sir.
Okay, this is very close, is it?
Yes, sir.
So I got 0.32466.
And he got 0.325, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, also very close value. Okay, if it is close value, then very close value you also will get is I mean, I don't know, it may be very close. And what about your HG? Can you tell me HG calculation?
Yes, sir.
It's a BG by mu naught, right?
Yes. No, sir. H equals to BG by mu naught.
Yes, what is that? 3.324 divided by
0.3. So
should I take the answer?
Yeah, you please tell me that. 4 pi into 10 to the power minus
258,626.78.
Okay, 258, right?
Yes, sir.
So how much difference from your value?
Sir,
I got 248,629.
Okay, 248.
And now
Okay,
I am getting.
okay, fine. That's okay. I think this is your HG, and can you find it should be same. 50 HC should be same from BH curve, right? What is that? BH curve gives you the HG. What is HC?
32. It's similar, so 750 maybe.
750. Very, very good. Thank you. So it is very similar because it's very close to each other. So 750, and this one is what is that? 257, right? HG is what? Fifth Jim?
258.
Yes, sir. I got 257.25783.1.00.
Whatever the value, that will be HG, and this is your HC. Now you
Yes, sir.
substitute this value and calculate what will be the total value coming here. And is it 300 what? Yeah, Srijapati also can help because we have no enough time. What is the new value coming here? And rest of you, those who are in the room, you also can check the answer is correct or not.
25.
I got 352.42.
Okay, 352. Okay, Srijapati, you can check. Jim.
Sorry, sir. 375.42.
Okay, 375. If you go for 375, yeah, anything different?
No, sir. I got 3.
Okay, 375. Just as you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this 375 and 400. Do the calculation and find the percentage error. What is that?
Minus 6.54.
Yeah, you put here 375 minus 4,400 divided by 375. What is that? Yeah, what is the answer?
Minus 6.54%.
Okay, good. Minus 6, right? Minus 6.4.
54.
Okay, 54. Srijapati, Jim, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Same thing? Yes. It
Yes,
should
sir.
be. That is very clear. Okay. Now you see, Jim, are you going to satisfy? Are you going to say that, yeah, it is satisfying the condition?
No, sir.
Because it is more than 0.5, 5%. Is more than 5%,
Yes,
right? Minus 5%.
Yes, sir.
So this is also not acceptable. Now you have done already 2 trials, right? Get my point? After 2 trials, maybe Srijapati had got 1 trial and then another trial is this one. But still you are not getting the answer. All of you understand in the class. Ikram?
Yes, sir.
Tarek, you understand what I'm talking?
Sir, the second trial could be, sir, the percentage should be less than, I mean, calculate from the minus 9.3 or the first one, 37.5. Sir, after doing first trial, we got minus 9.3, right, sir?
Right.
First trial, yeah, sir.
Then we go for second trial.
So second trial should be, na, sir, from minus 9.3.
No. That is the misunderstanding. It should be based on the first value. Yeah, and that's why we consider phi c is 1.5. Actually, it's not the second one, which is 9 point something. You understand?
Yes, I understand. Sir.
Yeah, it should be based always from the base one. And if you say that, I'm just telling you, this is second trial, you didn't get the answer. Now you go for third trial. Maybe third trial, you go for 30%, okay?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay,
sir.
If you go for, listen, come on. If you go for 30%, what do? You write here, phi c into 1 minus 0.3, yes?
Yes, sir, 0.1.
And that is what we have done in the video lecture, isn't it?
Yes, sir, yeah.
So that phi c is which one? Isn't the original one?
That phi c, yeah, original one, sir. Yes,
right,
sir.
all the time you have to based on the original one. You understand? Not the new one.
Yes, sir.
So Srijapati got 9.9 something phi new. That will be for 37.5% reduction. You will forget about it. If it does not satisfy, forget about Srijapati's phi new. That is not the answer. Delete it in the buried it into the graveyard. Now you go for Jim, 35%. And the 45%, she also considered this 1.5. Srijapati also considered 1.5 in his calculation, right, Srijapati?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now in the video lecture, we have gone for 30%. That one also consider 1.5, right, Tarek?
Yes, sir.
So every time you have to use the original first value, which is phi c is 1.5. You got my point now?
Yes, sir. I got
Based
it,
on, yeah, based on that 35%, based on that 30%. Okay, so 37.5%, it does not satisfy, we forget about it. Go for the second trial. See, what's his her name? Pubjim's. Pubjim got 6.5, which is also does not satisfy. No, go for third trial, 30%. And you see, luckily that one satisfied, right? But if it is not satisfied, then you go for another one. Like that way, if you carry on, you're 1 hour gone. You cannot answer a single question in the final exam. Tarek, you understand?
Yes, sir. I understand.
Your net is not net is giving trouble, I think. Mansim, are you okay? Can you understand what I'm talking?
Yes, sir.
So in this way, we cannot continue the trial so that you miss whole 1 hour and get only one answer, even you cannot complete. So it is not the right way to go. What you have to do, all of you try to understand. This is a good example. If it is happening like this, first trial, Sijapati done, and he could not get the answer. Then Sijapati do the second trial, which Pubjim had done 35%. And Sijapati, you see, still it is not satisfied, 6.5 in the second trial. Sijapati, got it, what I'm talking?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
in
sir.
that case, you stop here. Remember, all of you, after second trial, you don't go. You get full marks. If and only if you can answer among these two, which one will be the correct answer? Full stop. Okay. What Sijapati got the answer? What is your answer, Sijapati? Your
9.375.
Beautiful, beautiful. 9.37 into 10 to the power, oh, forget it, 10 to the power minus
4 Weber.
Minus what? Minus 4 or 3?
4. Minus 4 Weber, sir.
Minus 4 Weber. So this is what Sijapati's answer. Now, this is one answer you get. And Pubjim, what is your answer you got? 5.
9.75 times 10 raised to minus 4.
5 equal to
9.75 times 10 raised to minus 4.
175 into 10 to the power minus 4.
Weber.
Okay, minus 4 Weber. Okay, Sijapati got, Pubjim got 175. For example, for 9.175, he got it and Sijapati got this. These are the things Sijapati stopped here because the second trial also does not satisfy. So Sijapati will not go for third trial at all. You finish your trial here and submit your answer. Now, answer submission is correct or not. He got two answers. One is this one, another one is this one. Let's say this is phi c nu prime and this is phi c nu. Okay.
Sir, that phi c nu is an error method, sir. That's not the phi value, sir. Phi value, Sijapati phi value would be 1.5 into 10 inverse 4, sir.
Now,
it would be 1.
Now, listen, Sijapati's phi will be this for 37.5% reduction. Okay. Who is talking to me?
Sir, Tarek, sir.
Okay, Tarek. Okay,
sir,
now
the value you have written minus 9.37. It's
no,
error
that is
prime
a
method
separation.
percentage
That is separate issue. That is the tolerance level. And this one is by Pubjim. Pubjim, what is your percentage?
Negative 6.5.
Ah, you duck. How many percentage you reduced?
35%, sir.
What are you talking?
0.35.
He reduced 37, you reduced 35%, right?
Yes, sir.
So this 35% reduction, 37. What is your Sijapati? What is your error level you got?
Minus 9 point.
What? 9 point what?
92%.
Okay. And Sijapati, Pubjim, what is your error
minus
level?
6.5.
Minus 6.5. Now, Tarek, try to get your concept clear. Okay. Now, when Sijapati done it, his answer is phi equal to 9.37. When he reduced this percentage, and it is not satisfied because it is minus 9.9% within this range. And then next trial gone for 30% reduction, 35% reduction, not that. At that time, the phi value is coming like that, 9.16. At that time, the percentage range is 6.5% minus 6. Still, it does not satisfy. This is not satisfied. This is not satisfied. This is not satisfied for that. This is the answer. and this is not satisfied for that. What is the answer? This is the answer. Tarek, you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, Sijapati,
Yes,
which
sir.
one you now finally you have to tell the answer after this 2 trial. You don't need to go for 3rd trial, even though you did not get the
Answer.
required percentage. Yeah, within plus 5%, even though you did not get, but you should stop your trial. But you have to give me the answer, 2 answer. Look at it very carefully. Among these, so one answer is this one, what Sijapati got, and this is another answer what Pubjim got for. Now, among these 2, which one is correct answer? Which one is the answer? It is, if it is correct, you get full marks. What is that?
9.75 into 10 to the power
Are
minus
you are Pubjim?
sorry, sir.
Which
Yes,
answer
sir.
is correct? Okay, you can tell me, please. Come again, Sijapati.
9.75 into 10 to the power minus 4.
Okay, is it 9.75, Pubjim?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
9.75, the answer?
Yes, sir. 9.75 times 10 is to minus
okay,
4.
okay, 9.75. So your answer is 9.75 10 to the power minus 4. So this is the closest answer among the 2, which is more accurate. Among the 2 answer, it is more accurate. Why? Because this answer gives you, hey, Tarek, 6.2 and 9.92. Which one is close to 5%, Tarek?
Sir, 6, sir.
Any children you know that didn't born will tell the same answer. So in that scenario, we can say that this is the answer. Answer is not minus 6.5, you get 0. Answer is not 35% reduction. Answer is this one, 5C. You understand? Correct. Now?
Yes, sir. I understand,
Good.
sir.
So I think Sijapati, you got the point how to answer if you get trouble
Yes,
like
sir.
this. Okay. If you
Yes,
see
sir.
that none of the answer is satisfying 5%, then you have to take the closest one. And if somebody, after doing all these things, let's say Pubjim done all these things, and Pubjim is saying the answer is this one. Pubjim, you understand? Pubjim left already. Okay, Sijapati, you understand? If you say
Yes,
this
sir.
is the answer, then you get cut. It is not the answer correct. Your marks will be cut. But if you give this is the answer, yes, you get full marks, even though you did not get within the plus minus 5% answer. Sijapati, clear?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. Hey, what happened to Pubjim? Left already?
No,
I
sir.
think-
So why you don't shout? It's just you have to pay money for talking, is it?
No, sir.
You understand or not?
Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Excellent. Beautiful. So question is, if you go back to the video lecture, what happened? Instead of going for 37.5%, instead of going for 35%, we straight away jump to what value?
30.
30%.
30%. I think all of you have seen the video lecture. Good. We have jumped to 30%. And we are lucky. Why we are lucky? Actually, I should say unlucky. And that's why all the students could not understand what to do. But if you in the exam directly go to 30% and you get the answer is within plus minus 5% in one shot, will you go for another trial?
No, sir.
Absolutely not. Sijapati couldn't get it. His antenna couldn't catch
No,
it.
sir. No, sir. I
Okay,
get it.
good. Why silent means I'm understanding that your problem. Like you see all the ducks are sleeping here in the class. Okay, now let's come here. I hope that all of you understood. This is very important thing, and this will be tested in the exam, remember. If you understand this video lecture, if you understand this thing today, what I'm telling you, you can answer correctly in the exam. Otherwise, you cannot get full marks for this problem. All right, I hope that all of you understand. And I'm telling you again at the bottom that you should not, no way should go for more than 2 trial, remember, full stop, in the exam. I hope that all of you understand what I mean. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Sir, I have a question.
Yeah,
Can I
we'll
ask after
entertain
the
all,
class?
all that
Yes.
question we'll entertain now, but I'm just telling you first. So far, if you understand, I think most of you, then I'm just closing this session and getting the marks. After that, we can discuss whatever your discussion. Okay, I hope that should be fine.